everybody, welcome back to our channel. So it's Sunday afternoon here. It's about 2:15ish and the kids and I are just getting home from church and we stopped at Costco. So you probably have already seen our Costco haul by the time you are looking at this video. So we're not quite doing a Sunday setup video because I'm not working tomorrow. I'm actually not working again until Friday, we think. But what you are going to do is see the kids and I do a little bit of just a spruce up around the house. We did not have a lot of time this morning to get things done because we needed to make a stop at Walmart. We had a couple friends. Well, I had one of my girlfriends and her little girl come over this week and help us in the yard. So the kids and I wanted to get them a little thank you gift. And then one of the little boys, he just turned 5 in our church. So we picked him up something as well. So we had to leave early because Walmart is opposite of the direction we needed to go to church. So we wanted to make sure that we had enough time to get where we needed to get, and we got there just in enough time. So we didn't get a lot of stuff done this morning. I'm going to take you around and let you see what the kids are going to be working on because I'm going to be in the kitchen doing some keto cooking. So let me share with you what exactly they're going to be doing, and then I'm going to just share with you the things I'm going to be cooking. Okay, so this is Mom's bedroom. I did not get my bed made this morning, and so we're just going to make the bed and put the bench back. This, y'all, okay, this right here disturbs my nervous system. I pulled some of this stuff out of one of my bags. Well, I pulled all of this out of my purse last night. I think I had 9 lip products. 9. Who needs 9 lip products? So we are going to clean off this area just a little tiny bit. I'm going to have the kids to vacuum in here. Vacuuming is Jackson's job. As he lays on the couch. Jackson, are you going to vacuum? And so he'll vacuum in here. This room doesn't look bad at all. Whoever stuff is over there in that chair, y'all need to handle it. Taekwondo stuff. And then up here is Alana's things. And then the kitchen looks pretty decent, but we're just going to sweep the floor. And then we're going to use a little bit of the floor cleaner. I'm going to put up the Costco stuff. And then I'm going to be working on lunch. So let me show you what I'm going to be making for lunch. So here's in our refrigerator, and what I'm going to be doing is trying to pull out the things that we should eat now. I think this is some keto bread. I don't need to eat that, but there's a pork loin in here I'm trying to get to. Okay, this is pork loin from the other day, and then we had, do we know what this is? Chicken. Oh, this is chicken thighs that we cooked last night. So pork loin, chicken thighs. Here, oh y'all, okay, see, y'all ain't loyal. These are collard greens that I'm going to have. And then, okay, we got bagels and egg muffins, which are for breakfasts. Down here we have waffles, which are for breakfasts. I have keto bread. We have keto jam back there. And I'm going to make some keto fried rice. Or the, what do you call it? Cauliflower, like egg roll in a bowl. So I'm actually going to pull out 2 bags of the cauliflower rice. And I'm going to use the pork loin for that. So I'm going to use the pork loin for the fried rice. I'm just going to chop it up in little pieces, put the fried rice on, and then I'm going to use some of this broccoli florets to add into that. And I'm actually going to also saute some green beans as well. So I'm going to do some of the green beans, some of the broccoli in that, and then I'm going to try this Johnny's garlic spread that I just got on some of the keto bread that I just bought and see how I like it. So I'm thinking it's going to be a nice addition spice-wise. Let's see what's in it. Garlic, Parmesan cheese, salt, spices, Just a whole lot of stuff that's in there. But we're going to try it and see. If we don't love it, we'll use this one and we won't buy it again. But less than a gram of carb for a 1/4 teaspoon. So I'll scan this in Carb Manager to see how much it comes up. So that'll be good for the day. And then we're just going to, I've got a class I got to take online. It's just a quiz today. Normally I usually have 2 hours worth of lecture and then my quiz, but today it's just a quiz, so I'm going to go online and do my quiz, and then I'm going to be returning some emails from just folks who sent blessings to us. I do want to email everybody that did that and thank you guys. I thanked you here, but I want to personally thank you by just taking a few minutes to write an email. I've done some, I haven't done all of them, but I do plan to get as many of those done as I can. Also, I'm going to be filming a Q&A. What I'm going to be doing is going back through some of the comments and pulling out some of your questions and trying to answer some of those questions. I'm going to get the kids to help me answer some questions as well. But if you have any questions that you want to know the answers to, if we can answer them, we will definitely do so. But just let us leave us a comment down below of a question that you have, and we will try to answer them as best as we can. So we're just going to start picking up and doing a few things. It won't take us long, and then lunch will be on. Okay, you guys, this cabinet right here, which is right above a workspace that I use in my kitchen, I have it storing my spices. And for some reason, I just have way more newer spices. And so I want to redo this cabinet. I'm not really liking, not liking, but for some reason, it is just not working for me. Like I use everything, well, I use mostly things here. So I'm thinking that I'm going to rehome some of these other things. I've been holding on to a couple of things just because I might use them. I'm actually going to be replacing the soy sauce with some coconut aminos that I picked up the other week. And so I'm just going to remove or redo or, this shelf right here and this shelf right here. So you'll be able to see how I make this work a little bit better for myself and cooking. Cleaned out all the spices that I usually use most of the time. I put on this Lazy Susan. I put the olive oil and the balsamic vinegar and the regular apple cider vinegar, some taco seasoning, stuff I don't use a lot up here. And then I pulled out 2 matching baskets. I thought I had some pink ones, but I didn't. But I did have some matching green ones. And then I just put extra spices or things that are overflowing or I have multiples of up here. I'm going to try to rehome some of these. These are like, what do I want to call them? Crock pot breakfast spices, like apple cinnamon and something else. I had coupons for those. So I'm going to try to rehome those up here. And then these are just extras that I do use. I just don't use them every day. So that kind of cleaned up that cabinet a little bit. Now I'm going to start working on lunch. Okay, you guys, it's 8:15 and the kids and I are going to eat dinner. It is a little bit later than we would normally eat, but actually doing keto, I'm not very hungry. So what I did was we had 3 chicken thighs left. So I just put those in the oven to reheat and they've rewarmed nicely. Then we had leftover, this was a mashed cauliflower. My thing was, let me clean out the fridge and just use up what we had. So that was a mashed cauliflower, but we had a little bit of the broccoli left. So I put that in to warm. Then I had leftover collard greens that is warmed. And then I made a keto bread. And I used some of that Joseph's garlic spread. I mixed it with some butter and put it over the keto bread and put it into the oven. That'll help me get a little bit of my fats in, because I'm low on fats and proteins for the day. Actually, I've just been really full, so I haven't eaten as much as I normally would. Get our meal eaten. Jackson is working on lunch after dinner. He's working on after lunch dishes right now, so getting that in so we can run the dishwasher. We have done 2 loads of clothes, maybe 3 loads of clothes. I can't remember. It's a lot of loads of clothes. Folded and put up. And so I have a quiz for Bible school that I have to get done. My sister came over to do laundry. She's the one who lost everything in the storm, so she's staying with a friend, but they live close to where I do, so she came over to do laundry instead of going to the laundromat. I told her, don't do that, just come over here and wash. So I'm going to serve the kids dinner, then I'm going to do my quiz, and I'm trying to respond to comments. I'm working on a Q&A video, and then I'm going to be working on emails, but I think I probably will do emails in the morning just because I'm fresh and I don't have a lot to do. I actually do. I've got to go get my license done, changed from when I got divorced so many years ago. I have changed my name back to my maiden name, but I never got it changed on my license because, you know, they renew your license for so long and you have to have your divorce paper with you to change your name on your license, and I didn't have it the last time I went in to renew my license. So I'm going to go do that tomorrow, and I'm also going to be applying for a passport because I'm going on a cruise out of the country with a friend of mine. She and I, it's a dear older lady friend. You probably actually saw her in the vlog, in my budget vlog. She's popped in. She was on her way over. I was helping her do something, and so she's in the back of that video. But she's gonna be, we are taking a cruise together, and that's coming up soon. So I've got to go, well, not really soon, but I gotta apply for my passport so I can have it for that. So that is what I'm going to be doing in the morning. Then I also think I'm going to be doing a little bit of cleaning out my closets. They are collecting clothing for some of the hurricane survivors. And so Alana and I are going to go through our closets to see if there's anything in there that we can donate that's still in good working order. So it is fall, so that helps us to actually also clean out our closet. We'll probably vlog that for you guys as well. But that's what we're doing. I'm going to end the vlog here simply because I need to get them fed and I need to get my quiz done. My plan was to get that quiz done at 3 o'clock. It is now 8:15. We haven't even eaten dinner and I don't have it done. Normally I start school about 9 p.m. but I was trying my hardest to get it done early this time, but no such luck. So the kids and I are going to eat. We thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you have any questions about anything, please leave us a comment below because I will be filming that Q&A this week. So if there's anything you want to know that I'm able to answer for you, I'll be happy to answer that. So leave us a comment down below. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and share this video or any of our videos you feel will be helpful to someone else. And until next vlog, bye now.